In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a leave request. To do that, go to your top menu bar and select Leave. You should arrive at your leave page with a chart that contains all of your leave requests. In the chart, locate the leave request that you wish to delete. In this case, I'm going to delete the one on June 21st. In order to do that, I need to select Open next to that leave request. And now this pop-up menu will come up. In the bottom left corner of your pop-up menu is a Delete button. Once I select that, the leave request will be deleted. Teamwork 5 is going to ask you to verify that you actually want to delete that request. If I didn't want to, I could hit Cancel, but I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that leave request has been deleted. I cannot delete a denied or granted leave request. If I select the Open button next to one of those, you'll see there is no Delete button in the bottom left corner of that pop-up screen. If you need to change a denied or granted leave request, you will have to talk to your manager or your scheduler. And that's all you need to do to delete your leave request. To learn about your availability, check out the next video.